Hi friends, welcome to tutorials, and in this video you are learning Magento 2. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create configurable product. In previous video I have already shown you how you can create simple product. So in this video we will be going one step ahead and I will show you that how you can create configurable product. This is important because when you need to add color, size, etc. in that case you need to configure this under configurable product. So what we need to do, we go here and click configurable product. So first here attribute set, let's keep it default, and then product name I'm going to write it, say shirt, okay, or formal or formal shirt. The price here 100 USD, taxable, quantity 100, and then select category, so it will be under the main category and this will be on the top, and majority currency, this one is fine. And now configurations, this is important, configurations, okay. So now let's, before that let's save it, okay. So now let's click on this configurations. Now it asks me to select attribute set, so I'm going to select color and size, two things, okay. And then let's go to next, and inside color we can select multicolor, white, red, 30, 33, 34, 35, M, L, XL. So these are the sizes we are going to select. And then next, per image price and quantity. So apply single set of images to the SKU. So what I'm going to skip images uploading at this time. So individual, you can upload individual images into each product, okay, each color, size, and all that. So for the time being I'm just skipping price, quantity, and the images as well. So now next, and then generate products. So these are the sub products or configurable product that we generated. So it is formal shirt blue 30, then SKU, then price, and also here you can provide a different price. For example, for this maybe the price may be 110, then quantity, how many quantity are these, so maybe this one is 20 and is 34, or by default it will take from the main product. Also wait, if you want to provide here paid, so prices for each product or each variation as well as quantity you can define from here. So now let's do one thing, I'm just putting here 20 for each. All right, now just click on save, choose affected attribute set, okay, confirm. And now here for main product we will select an image, say, remember this image is for base product, main product, okay. And rest of the things will be same. So now click on save. So now under, let's go to the home page. And yes, you can see this product. So if you click here, then you can see these are the colors that we have selected, and these are the sizes that we have selected. So if I select blue, then the price is 777, right? If I select L or M, if you want to keep the price different from this one, then it is possible. For example, this is shirt blue and then M, right? Now let's click on this, and the price, let's make it 120. Save it. This is individual product. So this one is for blue and M combination. Now let's refresh it and check blue and then M. Color blue and then M. Yes, you can see the price is now different. But if I select another combination, then price is this. So this way you can create configurable product. Apart from that, for each product you can select different image from here as well. So go to image and video, select here. So let's do one thing, let me take another image, blue shirt. So now let's go here and select this blue one. Let's select another, it's not uploading somehow. Okay, now click on save. Okay, the product has been saved. Now let's refresh it. Yes, when I click on this, then you can see the color is also changing. So this is color combination of M and blue. If I select another one, then default image comes. But if I select here M and then blue, then the color comes. So this way you can configure the product and you can upload the configurable product easily. Price can be different, size can be different, and also the images can be different. So if you want to select different image for each product, then what you need to do, you just click on this and it will open another product. So this is individual product for formal blue shirt 38. So whatever you will be doing, this will be applicable to blue shirt and 38 size. So whatever quantity or uh, images, video, whatever you want to put, you can put. So as you can see, Magento provides very flexible and highly configurable features which you can use and create configurable products. So hope you like this video and this video is useful for you. So thank you for watching. Stay connected. In the next video, we will see another type of product entry. So stay connected. In the next video, we will see what is group product and how you can add this group product and how this works. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.